Good morning, children. Welcome to online class of social science, and today we will continue the chapter which we have started in our last class, and the chapter was chapter 7 of history, tribes, nomads and settled communities. Again, I'm reminding you that this chapter is not coming in your subjective assessment or in your coming examination, means you will not get any question from this chapter in your coming examination. And in today's class we will complete one topic only, which is how nomads and mobile people lived. And with this video you will get few questions that will be for your revision work. What you have to do, you have to write the answer of all the questions in your rough notebook, and while writing the answer you will not see the answer from your fair notebook. And once you will write the answer of all the questions, what you have to do, you have to check the answer yourself, and you have to see whether the answer which you will write are right or wrong. If the answers are wrong, again you can learn the answer, then you can write. And in this way you will come to know that the answers which you have learned till now, are you able to write that in a copy or not. So this will be your revision work. And now let's come back to the today's topic, how nomads and mobile people lived. So children, in last class you read that there are some tribes who do not follow norms laid down by societies, and they did not keep their written records. So children, in last class you read that there were tribes in medieval period who do not follow norms laid down by societies, and these tribal people mostly lived in forest, hills, deserts and other places which were difficult to reach. And the tribal people mostly preserved their culture and heritage through oral tradition. And the historians and travelers from medieval period medieval period hardly give any information about the tribes, because they did not keep their records in written way. And there were some powerful tribes also, those who control large territories, and you have read about that tribes also, like Gonds, Bhil and Arghans, Gaddis and many other tribes. And in today's class you will read about the life of these nomads, or how these people lived, and how these people or tribal people moved from one place to another, or moved from one place to another with their herds of animals. So let's begin. Two words are given there: nomadic, pastoralists. So children, nomadic means nomads means the people, those who wander from one place to another, those who do not have the permanent house. And pastoralists means those who raise their animals or livestock, and they are a type of herders, and they depend on the product which they get from livestock or from their animals. नोमैड्स जिनके पास अपना घर नहीं होता, परमानेंट घर नहीं होता, वो एक जगह से दूसरी जगह रहते हैं और वहीं पर ही अपने टेंट वगैरह में रहते हैं. एंड पेस्टोलिट्स जो एनिमल्स हर्ट करते हैं या फिर जो लाइव स्टॉक्स को रेस करते हैं फॉर देयर प्रोडक्ट. So the tribal people were mostly pastoral nomads, those who moved from one place to another with their herd of animals. And the tribal people mostly survived on milk products, and sometimes they exchanged ghee, wool, etc., the products they used to get from their cattle, with farmers for grains, clothes, utensil, etc. It means जो ट्राइबल पीपल थे या पेस्टोरल नोमैड्स थे, ये एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जाते थे, और जो ये मिल्क प्रोडक्ट्स इनको मिलते थे फ्रॉम देयर कैटल्स और फ्रॉम देयर लाइव स्टॉक्स, उनको ये एक्सचेंज करते थे विथ फार्मर्स, और फार्मर्स को मिल्क या जो भी प्रोडक्ट इनके पास रहता था, घी, वूल, वो देकर उनसे ग्रेन्स, क्लोथ्स, यूटेंसिल या जो भी इनकी ज़रूरत की चीज़ें थी वो ले लेते थे. देन We read in one chapter that this system known as barter system, exchange of goods with goods और services known as barter system, जिसमें हम सामान देके कुछ सामान ही लेते हैं. We do not use money in barter system. I hope this is remembered to you all.